Your breezes flow across you as well, and your flower-embroidered field is a happy copy of Eden. Majestic is a snow-capped mountain that was given as a bastion by the Lord. That was given as a bastion by the Lord. And the sea that brightly washes your shores promises you future splendor. And the sea that brightly washes your shores promises you future splendor. Sweet fatherland, accept the vows that were given by Chile at your altars. Either you be the tomb of the free, or the refuge against oppression. Either you be the tomb of the free, or refuge against oppression. Either you be the grave of the free, or the refuge against oppression. Or the refuge against oppression.